Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make the best Milky chin chin. When you hear Milky chin chin, there are different things you need to do to give you that Milky taste. Not only Milky taste, it will be soft inside and crunchy outside. So let's get into this video right away. First thing ingredients you need is your 500 grams of flour. Please, if you're a baker, you love baking in your kitchen, you need a scale, you need measuring cups, you need measuring spoon. These are the important tools you need to get as a baker lover, as a pastry lover. And if you're not even a baker, but if you're a baker, you don't have scale, I'm not sure you're really a baker, so you need to get your scale. It's very, very important. There are small scale, plastic scale. You must not go for the bigger ones. You can start with I started with a plastic scale. So the next ingredients to measure is my butter. 100 grams of butter, that's what I'm looking for. I have to reduce to get my 100 grams. One thing about this Milky chin chin is very, very rich. When I mean rich, it's very, very rich. So when you're selecting things, please select the right things. Don't just manage. You have to select good quality products that will give you a good taste. So after measuring my butter, I'll measure out sugar. Just 1/3 cup of sugar. Inside this my 500 grams of flour. I will be using powdered milk, and I will add half cup of powdered milk. They call it Milky chin chin, so it needs to be Milky. So the sugar is not much, so don't worry about it, because I would just want to be feeling that taste of milk. Cinnamon is optional, so I love cinnamon. If you have nutmeg, please use nutmeg. So I'll be adding my cinnamon, and I'll go in with salt. You can do yours a pinch or half or a teaspoon. So the next thing is my baking powder. So I'll be using a teaspoon of baking powder. I used half teaspoon, so I was able to put 2. So don't think it's a teaspoon. This is not a teaspoon, this is half teaspoon. So I'm putting 2 of it to give you 1 teaspoon. So the next thing I'll be adding is my cornstarch. Yes, I'll be adding half tablespoon of cornstarch. And I will combine everything together before I will start incorporating my liquid. I washed my hand very well because I'll be going in with my hand. I'm making this for my family, so feel free to wear your gloves. So I'll be using liquid milk. I'll be using here is my fresh milk. Please, I'm showing you evaporated milk. You can use evaporated milk. You need 2 eggs also. You can use evaporated milk. Please feel free to use any liquid milk you can lay your hands on. So I'll be using fresh milk. So as no water in this Milky chin chin. So add in your butter and you start rubbing it in. You have to rub it in and make sure you get the breadcrumb textures. The butter has well entered the flour before you start adding your liquid. So the first I'll be adding is my 2 eggs. And I will drop 2 drops of vanilla flavor, just 2 drops, 1, that's it. So, and I'll continue mixing. I will start dropping my fresh milk little at a time, because I'm not ready to add extra flour or extra liquid to this when I'm done mixing. There are things you need to notice about Milky chin chin. You don't need extra flour when kneading it. You just need right ingredients, right measurement. Like I said, please don't assume things. Use scale and measure your things and be sure, except the one that calls for cup. You can use cups. but for normal, please use your scale. So I'll drop a little. I didn't measure this milk. Please, if you want measurement, I prefer you even use your the big tablespoon and be measuring it small small, because I didn't add much milk to this. I didn't add much milk, so just a little milk to get all this binded together. I'm not ready to sprinkle any flour on my work surface. I'm showing you so that you will not think it's film trick. Everything is real. This is a raw video of how I made this Milky chin chin. Everything is very easy. You see that our dough is ready. So I'll go to my work surface right away and share it. And look at how neat my work surface is looking. No extra flour on the work surface. Everything looks neat and beautiful. So if you feel it's gumming on your table, just take your hand and knead together and you start rolling. That is it. I'm not ready to sprinkle anything on it because I got the measurement correctly and everything is okay certain. So if you want to allow it to rest, fine. Me, I'm cutting already, taking my time to cut this. So cut it exactly the way you want. If you have the correct measurement, like I said, nothing will stick on your table. Everything will be easy to make. Some people will have to sprinkle flour on their tray to make sure everything doesn't gum together, whether gum or no gum. When it enters the fire, it will separate if you have the right measurement. That's the secrets you need to even know about this Milky chin chin. When you have the correct measurement, everything separates in the fire when it gets there. So you don't need to be scared when they are looking as if they are coming together. So right now I'll continue making this till everything is properly done. You can see that I'll cut. Everything looks so free, easy and nice. So please, when you're doing yours, take your time, measure correctly. Like I said, you need a scale. I won't, because some bakers tell you that 500 grams of flour is 4 cups of flour. Some say it's 4.5. So instead of all this confusion, please use your scale. So I'm done. This is what we got from the 500 grams. It's time to start frying. I need to test if the oil is hot. It's not hot. If this thing comes up, you can see the oil is ready right now. So I will start putting in my chin chin. You see the way I put it? I'm not ready to separate anything. Like I said, it will separate inside the fire, inside the oil, especially when you got the measurement correctly. If your measurement is correctly, you're using the right ingredients. And once again, please, if you're buying oil, go for the best vegetable oil. Don't go for anything, because if you buy anyhow vegetable oil, it will give you a bad taste. If you buy butter that are not okay, low quality butter, the taste will be bad. So consider all this and know that the best quality you go for, the best quality ingredients you go for will give you the best results, and will give you at the end product, your Milky chin chin will come out delicious and tasty. So you can see what's going on now. Everything has already separated on its own because we are dealing with the right measurements, right ingredients, best quality. So look at that. Everything is looking so yummy. It's looking so beautiful. So make sure you're doing yours right. Don't just go and do what you want to do or buy anyhow things and you come back to my channel and say my own did not work. There is no film trick here. Everything was done in this video. So there is no film trick. Make sure you do the right thing, and I promise you yours will come out beautiful like mine. Look at that lovely Milky chin chin, looking so. See, one thing about this chin chin, any toddler can have it because it's soft inside and a little bit crunchy outside. I don't want it that hard because I want even a 1-year-old baby to also enjoy this chin chin. So right now I'm bringing it out. You can look at how it's looking so beautiful and nice. This is summer holidays time, so feel free to make different delicacy for your children. If you're a pastry lover, you are the right place. Subscribe, like, and also share to your friends and family who love pastry. Do you have any question? Please go to my lifestyle channel, Mrs. Progress Innocent channel, and drop that lovely question. I promise to reply you faster than here because I have a lot to do here. Look at the beautiful chin chin we have made. This is so yummy and I wish you try it. Let me know if you're going to try this out for your children or even for your family. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like.